In your task, you may see that you have letters due to be printed. When looking at a letter task, you will have the complete option on the right-hand side. Select complete, and this will take you into the letter that you need to send. Select the next step option, and it will load your letter template. You then select next step and choose who the sender will be. Once you hit the next step option, it will ask you to send your letter. Now the sending process will actually send this to our server to go into the merge queue for this letter to be merged. Now that you have completed the letter, to download the letters you can go to the left-hand side of your screen, select the reports option, and in the reports option you can then select the heading that says letters. You will there see a list of all the letters that you have merged to the letter merge queue. At the top will be the most recent one, where you can now select the download merge option, and if you save these files directly to your computer, they will ask you to save it, or if you open the Word files directly, it will open up that document for you to print straight away.